If you live in a building, this series is for you.
Today I am headed to the
21093
Lutherville-Timonium, north of Baltimore. A single-family house where the homeowner has listed several reasons for getting the audit done. High energy bill, HVAC runs all the time, they're thinking about new windows, and it's drafty and cold. So hopefully I can figure out what's going on. So I just finished the audit in Lutherville-Timonium. It doesn't surprise me that the bills are high, that the comfort is low. This attic had batt insulation, which is the most popular, but it's also the hardest to install. The insulation is just not really in good shape. Big problem also was the fact that it had about 18 little tiny recess lights. During the blower door test, they were all pretty much, very leaky. Oh, the other thing I was joking about this house, if you've ever been to like the beach with the House of Mirrors, I called this one the House of Cantilevers because every turn, every corner, every part of the house, back, front, addition had a cantilever. And if you're not familiar with what that is, it's just an overhang where you get a little bit more square footage up top or above the foundation wall. Okay, that's kind of what's going on here. Another, pretty simple classic case. Thanks for watching.